Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we solve the LeetCode problem number 1323, which is called maximum 69 number. This problem tests you understanding of number manipulation and string conversion in a C++. Let's break down it into it. Let's break down Let's break it down and it's step by step. The problem says you are given a positive. Uh, the problem says you are given a positive integer number consisting only digit 6 and 9. Return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit. 6 becomes 9 and 9 becomes 6. Let's take an example. We have input number 9669 and output is 99969. So explanation, change the first 6 to 9 to get the maximum number. Approach is like very simple. uh, the idea is very straightforward, like convert the integer into a string so we can access is each digit easily. Traverse the second step is that traverse the string from left to right and find the first six. And after that, change the six and change the six into a nine and break the loop. Convert the string back to the integer and return it. So uh, let's write the code. Uh, First of all, convert number into string string using dot to string. After that, we run the for loop. Every character of a string. If s of I equals to 6, converts into s of 9, break the loop, uh, return. So run the code. After that, I explain the code what he does, what it does. So, as you can see, every test case is passes. So first, we convert number into string. After that, we uh, learn the row every character, and if s of I is equal to 6, that is 6 convert into a 9 and breaks to the loop, and this strings convert into number. So that is for the code. So that is we just solve the LeetCode question number 1320, maximum 69 number using a simple string manipulation approach in C++. So thank you for watching this video.